Hello guys, I just want to share my experience with Pocket Option with everyone. And on the screen, I'm showing my Pocket Option account. This Pocket Option account I have registered with recommendation from my friend. And if you see my Pocket Option account, I have like with the trading, I have earned $8 to $9, like $19 with the trade. And I'm showing here my previous trades here on the screen. You can see it. And previously I have noticed for loss they don't have any issues. If you are getting profit, they'll ask simple questions. I mean, they will ask you to verify more and more documents. So here I'm already a verified user. So if you see, when I earned more than $8 or $9 from my $150 deposit, they started asking a new verification process. And even I can't chat with the support. If you see my chat, all everything is disabled. And when I try to chat on the public groups or community, it's all disabled. So yeah, and I just tried on the general public chat group. There I just selected for the users, direct users, where I'm trying to chat. That is also even disabled for me. So yeah, you can see it on the screen. When I try to chat with one of the user, it says it for me it is disabled. The chat is not allowed to post any messages until 2027. So this is clearly says they are intentionally blocking my account when I earned more than like uh, 8 times of my initial deposit. So I'm just showing my profile. It's already verified long back. Okay, yeah, you can see here my profile is already verified. For the local ID I have verified, and the address verification, that's also I'm verified. So I'm perfectly compliant with what they need. Okay, so now I was just trying to reach them via phone, email. There's no response, and luckily I have got their customer care number, and I just tried to reach them. And the response which I got from them is really shocking. Okay, I will show you the email which I got from them. Okay, in a moment. Give me, yeah, this is the email which I received from them, saying that okay, to withdraw the amount from Pocket Option, you have to be get the again the document. I have to go with the Rotary attestation. I don't know why it's required, because this document, the same document, I have uploaded and they verified it. Now they see that I am earning profit from my initial deposit, so they want me to go to the Rotary and attest the document, which is, I don't know why they require it now. So please be careful with this, guys. Bye.